I do that in the mall. Kuya, may ganito. Ay, do you have like any of those, like, ganito?
American?
It's like, oh, wait, magpa-process pa. I'm like, thank you po.
Hindi, ako,
No.
iba yung akin.
Fun.
Actually, before I came, bumili ako socks. Tinatagalog namin yung, ay, in-English namin yung socks. It's okay if I can get one of these, please. Alright, I'll get 3 actually. Tingin ko. Tapos may nagsabi, kasama ko si friend ko, papogi naman ang mga to. Sabi, papogi naman ang to. Ay, nagtatagalog. Dead ma ako. Pero inside nakangiti ako ganyan. Sabi ko, ala, pogi ko na ako ate. Sa isip ko. Sabi ko, dead mo na ako. Nakangiti sila eh.
Uy, salamat.
Tapos hindi, then, umalis na kami, bumili na kami. Tapos when I walk back, sabi ko, ate, okay lang to, wala lang itong butas ha. Ganun ako. Mukha ni ate parang,
Oh my God! Sinabihan mo may butas, bumili ka ng bago.
Hindi, ako ko, ate, walang butas to ha. Napag sa ate,
Pinaglaruan.
wait, wait.
Flat loading.
Wow. Teka, Filipino? Filipino ka?
It's fun sometimes. We don't do it all the time because syempre that's me.
Yeah, but
Sometimes
if they speak English to me, I'll speak English.
English na lang.
Pero pag tinagalog ako,
Tagalog din. Oo. It's so fun being trilingual for me.
date yung ako one time, if I can get, kasi naman lagyan akong golden may baby GoPro. Na-order dito, no? Ate, is I'm filming you? Oo. Okay lang.
Sir, vlogger ka, sir.
Yeah,
So they're gonna ask you what's the name of your vlog and everything.
Pero dito, no, Filipinos love camera.
Oh
But there's some countries, no? Minsan pag nasa, when I was in the UK, London, nagaganyan lang ako nag-film ng Big Ben. Yung mga tatakpan yung mukha nila, oh, magagalit.
Sinabi sila, hindi naman kayo pinipicturean ko. Ano ba? Maganda ba kayo?
Ang Filipinos are one of the happiest people.
What?
Yeah.
And warm.
Yeah.
Tagal natin
But it's warm in the country, kaya we're warm.
Kaya very warm.
Kaya it's warm right now.
Filipino hospitality.
Yeah. We can't go inside kasi sabi daw ni Kuya, ano namin, parusa to.
Pero si Esner and...
Sorry, nasa confession room daw sila. I think they're probably talking kasi easy din crying. Aha! I cry si Easy. No! Couldn't stop crying.
Kanina.
Hindi ko alam, ako.
So...
Kala ko ako mag-isalanan eh. Ang hirap ng swap eh.
Yeah.
Hindi ko minadulas.
It was just the battery. Battery talaga. Mabigat din kasi.
Pawis ng mga tao. But you guys, like 30, that's crazy.
Ay,